most profitable one-person agencies have a secret. They aren't working harder. They've built a zero-employee engine using Make.com and OpenAI. Here is the exact blueprint. Look, the old agency model is dead. Hiring a team of VAs and account managers just adds overhead and stress. I've spent the last year analyzing the top 1% of solopreneurs scaling to $50K a month. The common thread: they don't hire people, they hire workflows. In this video, I'm stripping away the fluff. I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate OpenAI's intelligence with Make.com's automation to build a lead gen machine that finds, qualifies, and outreaches to your ideal clients while you sleep. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the technical roadmap to replace a full-time sales team with a few API calls. Let's dive in. You're a solopreneur or agency owner, working crazy hours to keep up with demand. You're handling everything from client work to marketing and sales. It's exhausting, and you know you can't keep this up forever. As a B2B marketer, you're constantly looking for ways to generate high-quality leads. But the truth is, most of your time is spent on tedious tasks like data entry and follow-ups. You're not scaling your business, you're just trying to survive. You dream of having a consistent flow of leads, but it seems like an impossible task. You've tried hiring freelancers or virtual assistants, but that just adds more stress and overhead. So what if you could build a zero-employee lead gen engine? Something that would work for you 24/7 without breaking the bank or requiring a team of employees. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you it's possible, using AI automation tools like Make.com and OpenAI? Stop trading your hours for dollars. That is the amateur way to run an agency. The pros don't hire VAs to handle lead gen. They build autonomous loops. We call this the zero-employee engine. It's a system where Make.com acts as the nervous system and OpenAI acts as the brain. Here is the exact blueprint to build it. Step 1, the data source. You can't automate garbage. Use a tool like Apollo to scrape high-intent leads, but don't just dump them into a CSV. Send them directly to a Make.com webhook. Now the data is flowing in real time. No manual uploads, no human error. Step 2, the intelligence layer. This is where 99% of people fail. They use generic prompts. If you tell OpenAI to write a cold email, you'll get marked as spam. Instead, we feed the lead's LinkedIn bio and recent posts into GPT-4o. We instruct the AI to identify one specific pain point and one recent win from the lead's profile. The goal isn't to write the whole email. It's to write a hyper-personalized hook, a single sentence that proves you actually know who they are. Step 3, the distribution. Now we take that AI-generated hook and push it back through Make.com. We send this data straight into a sending tool like Instantly or SmartLead. Your leads are now receiving emails that feel like they took 30 minutes to research, but they actually took 3 seconds of compute time. This is how you scale to 1,000 leads a day without hiring a single employee. You aren't managing people, you're managing a process. You've effectively replaced a lead generation team with a monthly subscription to 2 tools. That is how you protect your margins and hit $50K a month as a solopreneur. Look at these numbers. This isn't luck, it's a system. The entire engine runs on 2 tools, Make.com and OpenAI. Make.com is the central nervous system. It moves the data. OpenAI is the brain. It does the thinking. Most agency owners spend $5,000 a month on a virtual assistant to do this. I spend $50 on API credits. That is how you scale to $50K without the management headache. If you want to build this exact engine, I've put the direct links to Make and OpenAI in the description below. Grab them, set up your accounts, and stop trading your hours for dollars. If you're committed to building a zero-employee business, hit subscribe. Let's automate everything.